friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen quiche in the air fryer. This is Trader Joe's broccoli cheddar cheese quiche. Same cooking instructions if it's different brand or different flavor. No need to defrost, air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. So I'm going to open up the package of frozen quiche. Take it out of its plastic packaging. And put it in the air fryer basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this quiche. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Since we're cooking it from frozen, I do recommend that you use the instant read thermometer to make sure it's perfectly cooked inside. It should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, that was enough time to cook it, but all air fryers cook slightly different. So if it's below 165 degrees Fahrenheit, just cook it for a few more minutes until it's totally ready. Now let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. This quiche looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. So let me just cut it so you can see the inside. Perfect. Perfectly cooked inside and crispy and browned on the outside. Tastes so delicious. Such a perfect flaky crust and delicious, soft, flavorful filling. This is so good. Air fryer is so much better than a microwave. It really tastes like it was freshly baked from scratch. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!